Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about time management. As we all know that time is energy, then why do you waste our energy on things which are not so important? We just keep on wasting our time, our energy mindlessly without even thinking twice that it will never come back. So today I'll share all the tips and tricks by which you will be able to use your time properly and manage it effectively. So tip number 1. First of all, please allocate your time nicely. Improve your daily routine by 1% every day. We should know where to allocate our time, how to plan, what is important, what is not important, and prioritize nicely our time because it is energy. Once gone, will never come back. Next, you should always have a to-do list for the day that you should prepare at night or early in the morning. You should know कि आपको क्या करना है, किस टाइम क्या करना है, किस हिसाब से करना है, and try to execute it properly. Next, you should always try to manifest that you have a lot of time. अगर हम सोचेंगे कि हमारे पास टाइम नहीं है तो हमारे पास एक्चुअली में टाइम नहीं होगा. सो इट्स ऑल इन द माइंड. यू नीड टू मैनिफेस्ट कि हमारे पास बहुत टाइम है, हमें जो भी करना है वो सब हम कर सकते हैं उतने ही टाइम में. तो मैनिफेस्टेशन इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड इट एक्चुअली प्लेज अ की रोल इन योर लाइफ. Always remember, you own your time, so use it wisely, nicely and effectively. Take charge of your time today itself. Stop procrastinating, stop delaying, and try to find ways of using your time effectively and nicely. Thank you.